Hey, welcome to another video. My name is Nikki. Today I share with you how I painted this cute dress with watercolors. The colors I use are cyan, magenta and some color for the skin. I made a short video, which you can find here, where I explain how you can quickly mix your own skin colors. And these three colors are everything you need. So let's jump right in. I start with a quick sketch. I draw two circles where I want to place the shoulders and a guideline into the center. Then I draw the neck. I don't have a clue what the exact proportions are, so I'm using eye measurement here. I draw a line for the hips and then I draw in the waist. Then I sketch out the skirt. I add two arms and a line to indicate the top of the dress. And then the sketch is done. I mix some cyan and magenta, but just very messy. I would like to achieve that both colors remain in the mixed color, if that makes sense. I don't want the color to be too thin or too thick, just something in between. For the skirt, I will paint many leaf shapes like this one. So let's start right away. I start at the top and work my way down. Sometimes a bit more blue in the mix and sometimes a bit more magenta. I leave a bit white space here and there, so that the paint can begin to dry and not run into each other.
Intentions were. Well, correct me if I'm wrong, baby. I want no lines to be blurred, 'cause I can see the light of the.
Then I start filling in the gaps. Okay, for my taste that was a bit too much magenta in the mix, but that's okay. Usually, I use purple very rarely because I always thought that I don't like this color. So, my advice to you is to use colors you don't like as well. You will be surprised how many colors you love that you usually would never use. For more variation, I use a lot more cyan in my mixture. For the top of my dress, I start with a blue line at the bottom. Then I paint in everything else with my purple mix. The plan was that the colors mix and blend together at the bottom. That didn't really end up working out, but that's okay. I add some more dark purple leaves here and there. Then I color in the body. I worked a little rough, don't need to be super precise here. With a smaller brush, I start painting in some details to some of the leaves. Not in every single leaf, just here and there. Then I paint in the shoulders. And that's it! The purple dress painting is finished. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any of my weekly videos. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video, bye bye!